Guys, so today I'm going to be folding my HS10 shotgun. Here it is. So first, you need a square piece of paper and you're going to make a bolt base. So first, I'm going to be folding a water bomb base. So you fold it in half and I'll be sinking the top of that to make the bolt base. Okay, so you fold it in half like this and you fold it the other way. Fold it in half again, like so. Then you open this pocket right here, and you're going to fold that down. And you flip it over, make a crease right here. Then you're going to do the same thing and open this pocket right here. Then you're going to fold that down. Okay, and now you bring this point here all the way to the bottom. Like so. And now you're going to sink this top piece inside. So what you do is you open up that area where you just folded. Okay, then you're going to mount and fold all those crease lines that I just made. Like that. Okay, then you just fold it back in. Okay, and now you're going to fold in these two triangles on the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna just pre-crease it right there and just fold them right in here. Okay, and make sure the edge is facing you, and you have to fold it in half now. So it's solid on one side without that little triangle. So the edge have to be facing you, and you gotta fold it in half like this. Okay, now you bring the back, the short side forward like this, and you have to fold it down to make the grip all the way down like this towards the front. Okay, then you're going to sink the front half of it. Okay, so you want to fold it in half first, like that. Then you bring the back edge to the center like this, and you're going to fold it all the way up to the middle of that slant like that. Okay, then you just fold it in half, then slant it back to make the handle. And now you're going to bring this corner right here, right up to the center point. Okay, and that's where you're going to fold it in half, like so. Okay, you fold this up And for this half, I'm gonna bring this down first. Bring this corner right here, right up to the center. And fold this whole thing in half. Okay, and now for the front, I'm going to fold this thing in half like so. And bring this triangle third way into this corner right here, right around there, and fold this up. Okay, fold this in half, and 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 fold the side like a fan, just back like that. Okay, and make the side thinner like that. And here's my shotgun. So thank you for watching and have a great day.